Hey everyone, Travis Thom here with Elevated Real Estate Marketing. I'm a Facebook marketing strategist for the real estate industry, and today I'm going to walk you guys through a Facebook Messenger chatbot campaign that is pretty cool. It's getting a lot of engagement, a lot of conversations, and it's actually closing deals. So I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process, and first I'm going to show you exactly how it kind of looks, and then we're going to go in exactly into how to build one yourself. All right, let's dive in. All right, so today I'm going to show you guys how to create a chatbot contest quiz that is going to be really easy to set up. It doesn't take a lot of effort to create this. This is an idea that you can use if you have a listing that is just coming on the market and you want to try and get as much engagement as possible and get people to comment and like and share, right? Get a lot of attention from it. And the trick with this is that we're going to set up through ChatFuel a Facebook Messenger bot to go ahead and engage or send a private message to anyone, right, through Facebook Messenger to anyone that comments on this. So it's going to be a little giveaway here. So, $100 Pottery Barn gift card. Let's see if we say that here, gift card giveaway. And so whoever guesses the list price, they're going to comment below. This is great for if you just have a listing that you haven't put on the market yet. It's also fun if you want to, have people to say, hey, free gift card, $100 giveaway or $50 giveaway or $25 giveaway to Home Depot or Lowe's, right? And then you target people that like Home Depot and Lowe's, and set up a Facebook Messenger bot to go ahead and then privately message each one of these people. It builds up your list for Facebook Messenger to run messages to, so you can run broadcast messages, and also it starts and kicks off a conversation, right, that you can engage with these people. So this is the ad copy here, which is $100 Pottery Barn gift card giveaway. Guess the list price, comment below, like this post, and guess the price of the new listing that will be coming to the market soon in the comments below. Just comment with your best guess on how much this house will be listed for, listed on the market. So it's gamification, right? Gets people excited, and people interact with these kind of things kind of across every type of industry and market. So what we would do first is go ahead and go into here and choose engagement. We're going to choose engagement because we want people to have this campaign be optimized for engagement, to get people to like, comment, share, right? So we're going to call this coming soon bot quiz. Actually, it's more of a contest here. And then from here, we'll go ahead and call this Messenger engagement. All right, so then down below, this is where we would target people that are, let's say, in the Denver area. And we're going to see people who, or people who live in this location. And we'll kind of whittle it down to the desired age ranges here for us, for buyers and sellers. And then I'm going to say people that are likely to move, that are interested in buying a house, and that are house hunting. That have also looked at Zillow and Realtor.com, right? Some of those key larger things there. And then we'll just do the typical exclude people that have recently bought a home and recent home buyers or recent mortgage borrowers. Now we can leave that somewhat semi-broad, except probably take down the radius just a little bit to more around 190,000 people, and we have a good post engagement of about 27 people for this. So I'm going to choose placements. I'm going to take off audience network. I'm going to remove Instagram and just leave the news feed there. All right, so I'm going to kick this up to about $15 a day to get about 12 to 74 post engagement there. So we have optimized for post engagement, right, to get likes, comments, shares. That's our goal with this. All right, so then I'm going to go ahead and not use this ad. We'll use something different. And we'll create this one from scratch here. So go ahead and take this ad copy. So it doesn't have to be, you know, a high number, right? It doesn't have to be $100. It can be $20. It can be $50, but something to get people's attention and get them excited, right, about playing this kind of game. So then what you would do is you would upload the images for it. You might have multiple images for it. I'm just going to use this as an example. I know this is several different photos here, but you might want to show multiple different photos, give them a teaser of the property, just enough information to get excited about it. And if it isn't for a just listed or a coming soon property, and it could be just for guess something else, right? Then you want to have that image be hyper relevant to that. All right, so then we would for this probably add no button just to get comments, because we're not sending people to any kind of direction. We just want them to comment, right? So there's no actual call to action here that we would send them anywhere, just have them comment and like on this post. So what we would do is go ahead and then confirm. And then what we're going to do next is start to get our chatbot set up for this. But first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and hit preview, and I'm going to go to see post with comments. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to oops. So we're going to go to Chat Fuel, and we're going to set up our bot for this. Okay, so now that we've clicked on it to see the comments, to see the post itself, what we're going to do is we're going to go and click on a timestamp right here where it says 1 minute. We're going to click on that, and that's going to take us to the hyperlink up here in the browser, the link specifically for this post here. So we're going to copy that, and then we're going to go into Chat Fuel here. So we're going to go into Chat Fuel, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new bot. So as we create this new bot, what we're going to do is we're going to go down to grow, and we're going to add a rule here. But first, what we might want to do is actually connect this bot to a Facebook page. All right, so we're going to connect it to this property management here, to this page. So you choose the page that you're going to connect it to, and the next thing you go to is grow, right down here. You're going to click grow, and then there's this key thing that we're going to add, which is acquire users from your comments. So this rule, we're going to add a rule. This enables the bot to send an automatic private message, right, through Facebook Messenger to the people that comment on that post. So what we're going to do is we're going to call this coming soon $100 contest. So people that comment on it. We're going to choose specific posts, and then right here, we're going to hit paste. That's the actual post, and then reply to post comments. So we're going to right here then type in a message saying, thank you for commenting on our new listing. You are now in the contest, and we will let you know soon if you won. By the way, are you in the market looking for a new home? Question mark. So that right there is the key to all of this, is that messenger that's going to be sent out following up with all of these people, right? So by the way, are you in the market looking for a new home? So that, once that's set up, oops, looks like we've got to do that again. So we'll just hit $100 contest giveaway, comments, specific post. Remember, we go to the timestamp, into that information, and we say, thank you for commenting on our post about our new listing. We will let you know soon if you are the winner. By the way, are you in the market for a new home? Question mark. And then hit done. All right, so that is the new rule for anyone that engages with that post. So if anyone comments on it, it should then send that message over to them. So if I go ahead and say $345,000, I hope I win. So theoretically, then when that's connected, then that should send a Facebook Messenger comment, right? So that should then send that off to me. So anyone that fills that out is then going to start getting messages through Facebook Messenger over to them. So once people start commenting on it and start communicating there and typing out, it'll start then sending off these messages that you've sent in there to each one of those from your business page. That way, each one of them will get a comment, and hopefully then you start a quick dialogue and a reply. So this is a great kind of engagement campaign that you can do for a lot of different things besides properties that are just listed, right? So it could be for kind of any new event, certain things that are happening, around town, right? Gift cards to Home Depot or Lowe's. You can even target people that like Home Depot's interest or Lowe's and gift cards, and then really kick off that communication there and really have some sort of strong message that follows up with them and gets them to communicate right away. So it's a great way to really kind of build this type of platform in Messenger in this big audience that you can then run ads to later on or broadcast messages, but get people to engage and eventually find a buyer, find a new listing, whatever it might be.